So you're expanding to Middle East, Europe. What's next?
China, one of the biggest participant into RME in the metals market, and also one of the biggest participant in the energy market, which is ICU. So yeah, Europe has become quite important. The importance of Dubai is, from my own perspective, is no longer just a hub that actually bridge Europe, US, and Asia. It has become a global hub. That you see people from various countries coming into Dubai.
Oh, great, Marcus. Really nice to see you. How did you enjoy the event?
Well, I think that the event has been great. This is the first time I'm attending or sponsoring a joint global event, and I think it's the audience is good. The topics are great, and it's quite in depth. That's a great event.
Well, thank you for that. I mean, do you just talk a little bit, personally, how has been your time at Orient Singapore? Because obviously I've known you for a long time through a number of different roles in the financial markets. Orient Singapore, one of the biggest clearing firms, brokers for not just securities, derivatives, commodities in mainland China. What's it like?
Well, I think, Orient Securities, or primarily Orient Futures in Shanghai, I think from a culture perspective, though being a state-owned enterprise, I would say it's very enterprising. I think the opportunity came back in 2018 where, Orient Futures has actually wanted to set up an overseas subsidiaries for the longest time. And I knew Orient Futures for a long time, maybe back in 2011. And so yeah, at that point of time when UOB decided to kind of sell away the business in a way, and so the opportunity came, and I helped Orient Futures to set up its subsidiary in Singapore. So from my own perspective, I think Orient has given me a good platform in terms of like how I can continue to provide that kind of services, infrastructure, and continue to support the clients that has been very supportive over my career over the past 20 years.
So for a state-owned entity, they're quite innovative, clearly setting up in Singapore to serve its clients, Southeast Asia primarily, to access mainland China. But you're here with me in Dubai today. So you're expanding to Middle East, Europe. What's next?
Oh, well, I think it's not just primarily Southeast Asia. We wanted to capture the Asia market, and connecting the Asian clients into China. And, well, as you know, Dubai has become very prominent over the past 5 years, especially. And a lot of people has been moving to Dubai, and we do have a lot of clients in Dubai. And so the importance of Dubai is, from my own perspective, is no longer just a hub that actually bridge Europe, US, and Asia. It has become a global hub. That you see people from various countries coming into Dubai, dealing with different kind of business. And I think from a capital market perspective, Dubai is not going to be missed. So we just got to capture the opportunities, and I think Dubai has become quite important.
So same for us. And will we see you in Europe soon?
Yes, I hope so. I think it's pretty much that in Europe. We have gotten approval to set up an entity in UK. And likelihood it would happen this year, and we will start the process of getting FCA license, and hopefully to get membership in ICE Europe as well as RME. And I think that would deepen and widen the kind of product that we can offer to many of the corporate commercial clients in China. And China is, I think, one of the biggest participant into RME in the metals market, and also one of the biggest participant in the energy market, which is ICU. So yeah, Europe has become quite important, and primarily in UK, where we got to get the membership there very soon.
Well, Marcus, it's been a pleasure. We look forward to working with you in Europe at some point in the near future, and of course we'll be back here in Dubai and hoping to work with you out in Asia as well.
Sure, always.
So thank you for supporting us.
Thank you.
To do.
Thank you.